It has been 8 months since the solar panel maker Solyndra declared bankruptcy, leaving taxpayers on the hook for billions of dollars and throwing thousands of Bay Area workers out of a job. Earlier this year, we exposed how millions of dollars worth of assets were being destroyed at Solyndra's plant in Fremont. And now we've discovered the company, once touted as a symbol of green technology, has left behind a trail of toxic waste in another Bay Area city. Here's Elizabeth Cook with a story you'll see only on CBS 5.
It's a tedious process, throwing away millions of taxpayer dollars, one truckload at a time. Slowly but surely, the shattered remains of brand new solar panel tubes head to a recycling plant in Hayward. Meanwhile, the next phase of the company's liquidation is underway. It involves getting rid of all the heavy metals left inside the building that were used to make the panels.
Copper, indium, gallium, and selenium.
The Fremont Fire Department's Jay Swardensky is overseeing the cleanup. He says some, like cadmium, are toxic and hard to dispose of.
They don't degrade at all, and they don't mobilize. So we want to make sure that we don't allow these materials to get out into the environment.
It's not just the leftover hazardous materials, but also the machinery used to apply them to the glass tubes.
Certainly those tools, certain parts of them will need to be decontaminated.
Swardensky told us in Fremont the disposal process is going smoothly.
But what about down the road from Fremont, here in Milpitas? Solyndra leased this building to help manufacture some of their solar panels. And as far as we can tell, no one is supervising the cleanup here.
The building's all locked up. At the back, we found a hazardous waste storage area, discarded buckets half filled with liquids, and barrels labeled hazardous waste. According to court documents, the owner, a company called iStar, claims, quote, there may be serious environmental health and safety issues at the premises, including numerous containers of solvents and chemicals and processing equipment contaminated with lead.
Essentially, it looks like they left a pretty big mess behind here.
We asked San Jose State Assistant Professor Dustin Mulvaney to take a look at our video. He's done research on solar waste and says it's hard to tell how much of it is at the Milpitas site, but he says one thing is for sure.
Materials labeled hazardous waste require protocols, so it's actually more expensive to clean up. Very sad looking at this facility taken apart like this.
Elizabeth Cook, CBS 5.